Hey guys, Chris with Systainer. One of the great things about the Systainer system is your ability to customize it. Today I want to show you, it's quite simple, how to change a lid. The first thing you need to grab is a rubber mallet. So on each Systainer there are 2 pins on each side. We need to remove those pins so that we can remove the lid. And what you're going to do is you're going to come in here, a nice light tap, remove 1 pin, come to the other side. Now your lid will lift off. Do the same thing to our anthracite Systainer. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take the lid you just removed and we're going to simply set it right in place here. Then it's up to you to decide if you want to put the same color pins, so we could put the yellow pins back in, or we could get creative and we could put the anthracite pins in. Set it in place, make sure the orientation is correct, and then just give it one simple tap there. Insert the other pin. Now this lid is in place. Let's put the lid back on the other Systainer. Let's set the lid back into place. Take our pins. Put one on this side, give it a tap. So it's as simple as that. Not only is it great for customizing color schemes, but if you want to swap it out for the attic lid, it's also a great solution for that as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.